So, malapit na kami. 1.7 kilometers na lang. At paliko na kami sa Carmel Ray.
Turn right.
Medyo umaambon na. Pero, ay, teka lang.
Full circle. Ano pa dyan?
Sa tour. Sa tour po.
Tour.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng Carmel Ray. So, 1.4 kilometers pa yung ano. Full circle. Trina. So, pasok na tayo sa loob. It's raining. The rain won't stop us from galaing. Let's go. Ay, thank you. Hi.
Joining us on this rainy Saturday afternoon. In case you still. So copper is important in the production of craft gin or spirits rather because in the Philippines. Mango, pomelo, sampaguita, benguet pine, calamansi, just to name a few. I'll go.
So, nandito na tayo sa ito nga eh.
We have to bring in all our dried botanicals. So along with juniper berries, what makes gin gin? Botanicals are kept in pristine conditions na walang bugs or humidity to make it moist. And so over here, we have Maddie. We fondly call her Maddie. Maddie is a 450 hybrid copper still. Hybrid meaning, as I mentioned earlier, semi-automated. So over there, here always for you guys and the tour. So these are what we call distillery exclusives. Not available anywhere else except through us direct, like if we're in Artefino or in Art Fair or here on a tour. Behind the mountain. So we actually use mountain cleaning water. It's not much more. One last unique point about our labels is that we handwrite each bottle and batch number. So you notice like this one here, these are the stats here, then this one here is actually the label. So this one, we also tap local furniture company in Antipolo that does this for us. And the second point is that a lot our proceeds actually.
Yung black bamboo.
Okay din, nilagay mo yellow.
Yan yung kanina.
Smooth nga, no?
Ano lang siya? Yan, panimalagin yan. Ang sarap na to.
Nang black bamboo? Sarap pag may tonic. Itong tapang. Agad ka.
Bang.
Black Bamboo Gin. Ano din? Black Bamboo Gin. Ano?
Yan. Gusto mo ayos? Ano ayos?
Okay lang to. Hindi masyado matapang.
Tsaka mabango. Masarap.
Kahit ano. Hinaluan mo. On the rocks. On the rocks lang.
Sarap.
Ito ay fresh woody, forest floor, juniper musk, and spice, floral and bittersweet.
Lasa nga lang.
Smooth lang, no?
Yan, masarap.
Ito matapang. Matapang talaga yung vodka. Matapang yung vodka.
Lagyan natin ito.
Black Bamboo Gin. Malasing ako dito, ah. Yung isa, Barrel Reserve. Oo. Yung ayaw mo lagyan.
Hindi ko alam na ano.
Ito yung juniper. Ito yung mga gin nila. Ayan, yung mga awards na napanalo na nila. Most awarded yung gin and vodka nila in the Philippines.